Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are here at the beautiful Reis Magos area in North Goa. I'm going to be showing you guys the Reis Magos church. I'm going to be showing you guys the Reis Magos fort. I'm going to be showing you guys the Reis Magos beach, which is not very popular with tourists, but I wanted to show you guys because this is one of the most incredible sunset points here in Goa, overlooking the Mandovi river. So I'm going to show you all of this. Let's go and check out this beautiful place here in Goa. Okay guys, so before we go to the beach, I'm just going to show you guys this beautiful spot here in Goa. So this here is the Reis Magos church. This is one of the most beautiful churches. If you come here in the morning, it's absolutely amazing. So we are here right now on a Sunday. So if you see, the doors are open and there is a mass sermon going on right now. Of course, I don't want to go in there right now because I don't want to disturb anybody. Right there is the Reis Magos fort, which is the beautiful Reis Magos fort. I'm going to show you guys when we reach there. And here we have the chapel. Basically, this is the cross here, and over there just up ahead is a spring. So in the old days, people used to use this spring for drinking water and things like that, and people still wash their cars and stuff over there. So what we are going to do is we are going to go up just a little ahead. If you go on the right, there is basically the place where you buy the tickets to go to the Reis Magos fort. But let's go to the Reis Magos fort, and then I'm going to show you guys the beach, which is amazing. So let's go and check it out. Okay guys, so we just came up a little ahead here, and I'm just showing you this because this is the entrance to the fort. If you want to buy the tickets, it's open from 9:30 till 5 o'clock. So I'll be doing a full video there, so I'm not going to give you the full details of the fort. So we are going to do a full video of the fort there, just to show you there's a lot of stalls that are available here. If you want something to eat, then you can get coconut water, things like that. That is the fort entrance area, and here is the majestic, beautiful Reis Magos fort on the right. So what we are going to do is actually we are going to go and check out the beach down, which is something which not many people do. So what we are going to do is I'm going to park here. This is basically the entrance to the beach. So most people don't know about this beach, or I mean, as a tourist you would probably never go to this beach if you did not know about it. So this is just the fort here. Let me just show you. So it's really beautiful, but what we'll do is let me go down and show you guys the fort from the beach side. So I have to remove my helmet, sorry guys. So I'm removing my helmet, and then we'll go down to the beach. I have to wear my glasses. Yeah, okay, so that over there is the beautiful cross at the beach. This is a little scary because you have to walk down these stones here. So guys, if you know, I was not shooting videos for quite a while now, is because I was quite sick. If you're watching this video later, this has no relevance to the place, but yeah, I was quite sick, so I was not posting videos for a long time. So I'm just going to show you guys some bit of the culture from this area here. So over there in the distance is the locals putting their fishing nets. Today is a Sunday, so most of the families come together and they start fishing over here. So all the families have gotten together and put a net, and they'll catch the fish there. And these are experiences that you will find, the local authentic experiences here. So okay, let's go down to the beach and see what the beach is like right now. So this is the beach here, which is the Reis Magos beach. It's so beautiful. It's about I think 5:45 in the evening. It's almost sunset. There's a lot of people fishing here. Some days the tide goes really low, so it goes, this is actually the Mandovi river. So if you don't know exactly where we are, those are in the distance. There is basically the casinos. So if you can see there, those are the casinos that are here. And yeah, I wanted to come and shoot this place because it's very dear to me. My house is just above there on the top of the hill, so overlooking the Mandovi area. So yeah, let's just take a little walk here on the beach. If you see here, this is the majestic Reis Magos fort here, and the sky is amazing. I don't know if you can't really make out on camera because reality is always this. Oh my gosh, there's huge crowds on Miramar beach, which is just across there. So this is the place here. I always like to show you guys something new once in a while, and wow, the sunset is incredible. I mean, if you guys, I mean, you can't even make out on the camera, but it is super orange in the distance right now. On camera it just looks normal, but yeah, it's so beautiful. And this is the Reis Magos fort here. So it's always nice to come down here and check out this beach. If you guys ever come to Reis Magos fort, definitely come down to the beach. There's quite a few tourists here actually, so it's not a lot of people, maybe two couples here. This area has quite a lot of restaurants. If you check the Google Maps, you'll find quite a lot of the restaurants here, which is so nice to, you know, be in this area because it's not very crowded or anything. This is, you know, very popular for the locals who come here in the evening, especially on weekends here. So right now there's quite a lot of people there in the distance. Let me just show you. So those are all locals, you know, they come here with their families and everything. And yeah, if you see there's a few tourists clicking photos. How we come to know who is a tourist in Goa, let me show you. So you see these caps. So this is like the typical thing. Most of you guys buy this, so that's the first thing we know who's a tourist, by the cap or the Goa t-shirt or things like that. So this beach is not actually for swimming, but here you get a lot of fish, so most people come here to do fishing. It's an absolutely incredible beach, great place to watch the sunset because you know, this is like an open area, there's not a lot of people, and yeah, so nice. See, don't do this mistake, people leave their slippers like that, start clicking photos, next thing you know your slippers are gone and you're walking over the rocks with, you know, this thing. That's my friend Ryan there in the distance, I'm just saying hi to him. So guys, just to show you the steps here, it's so incredible actually, the fort. You know, I wish I brought my drone today, but just to show you guys, there is a beautiful steps there. Many people do photo shoots and reels like that. So if you ever get your, you know, come here, you can definitely do a nice video, especially up there on the steps. And even in the fort, people do, you know, weddings and parties here. So if you want to do like you know, wedding and party also, you can rent out the fort. When I go up in the fort, I'll do a beautiful video of you to show you guys. So yeah, while coming in here, we were against the light, but just to show you again, oh my gosh, the sunset is so incredible. I don't know what to say. Every time you come to this beach, it's completely different because when the tide comes in here, small puddles or ponds form over here some days. And it is so nice because most of those puddles or ponds, whatever they are called, tends to have a lot of small fish in them. So just to give you a view of the fort from this side, and while going back, you know, if you come here on weekends, it's mostly crowded but with people here. But if you come on weekday, you'll probably be the only person here, or you probably will see me because I like to come here because it's quite quiet. I like to come here and I usually sit here and watch the sunset. Is because then not many people can see you, so I just like to sit in this corner here and you can see the sunset there in the distance. So yeah, it's such a beautiful place, very relaxed. Very sad to see people throwing, you know, bottles here like this. It's actually illegal to drink in public now, and you can get a fine of up to, I think, 10,000 rupees now. See, somebody put their hearts here. So it's so good to be back in vlogging again and showing you guys some places here. See this, a nice father and son here fishing. Hi, how are you? Good, good. You caught anything?
He caught today.
What did he catch?
A few puffer fish.
Really, puffer fish? Oh, you put them back?
Put them back, yeah.
Okay.
He always puts them back.
Yeah. So see,
So tiny ones.
yeah, really. So see, what a nice experience. This is like a Goan experience, father, son. You know, when I was young also, my father and me used to come fishing here. So anything you caught before here? Big?
We caught catfish.
Yeah, different. What are you using for bait?
Today prawns.
Oh, prawns. Okay. So see, these are the hooks that are here. And you're using live prawns or? No. Okay.
Cut bait.
Okay, just the cut bait. Okay.
Cut bait, yeah.
Okay, so those are the prawns here. Okay, see you later. Yeah, bye. So nice to see the father son here. As I said, I like to come to this beach, so I meet quite a lot of the people here, and I know a lot of the people around here, the locals. So yeah, the guys, this is the you know, last look at the fort here, and right on top there's this beautiful tree. In monsoons, that tree is so green and so beautiful. Of course, the tides are very high during monsoon, so you can't come down to the beach. But yeah, so November, December, January, February, the tides go low here, so you will get a great look of the beach and this area here. So that is Panjim city in the distance there. Okay guys, just before we end this vlog, I came back to show you guys this sunset. I hope you can see it, but it is so incredible here. It's this big red ball which you can see here. I'm really sorry, the camera cannot do this justice, but it is one of the most incredible sunsets here in North Goa. Thousands of people are on the Miramar beach there, overlooking the sea and enjoying this beautiful sunset. So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you guys what it's like from here in North Goa and this beautiful beach. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys lots of other videos from here in Goa.